Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and book an appointment for CIBC Bank. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your browser and simply go ahead, type in CIBC Bank. Upon doing that, you will be able to find this kind of search results, which is book an appointment with CIBC, booking meeting, etc. Simply go ahead, tap on this book an appointment with CIBC on top. And afterwards, you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? You can see 6 easy steps is for you to start your meeting and etc. First of all, simply go on top. If you have time and want to know everything in detail, go ahead, look it up, or otherwise tap on this meet with us option here. So here in this other tab, you will be able to find a 2 option, which is continue as a guest, continue as CIBC client. If you are, simply choose to tap on this, enter your credentials as it asks over here, and simply sign in and book a meeting. If you're not, go back, tap on continue as guest. So you can see I would like to book a meeting based on a specific topic. If you got one, or if you would like to meet with a representative, you can also choose that option. Once you have chose any of this, simply tap on this next. Tell us why you would like to meet with us, personal banking or business banking. Let's go with the personal and select an option. Let's say bank account. Go ahead, select it properly and tap on next afterwards. So how would you like to meet with us at a banking center? This is the option. You will have to tap on next. Again, you gotta tell us about the meeting preference, language confirm. Do you need any accommodation? Select all that apply, etc, etc. If you have anything specific. If you don't, simply go ahead, tap on next. You can select, you can enter your address and city postal code or transit within 10 kilometer, and they will search a nearby bank center for you to have a meetup with. Once you have tapped on next, you will be able to confirm it, and you can go to them and have your meeting at desired time at desired place. This is the way for you to book an appointment. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.